Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, CS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Foxy.
Hey, Fede.
Not money.
Man, I'm not the regiwe, man. And the regiwe is silver, man. Silver lily lap. I don't know about you. Yeah. Man, I'm not a problem. No, came in nearly sharp, but losing 8 games. Actually, not losing 8 games. Arena win. Mopetwe Premiership. No, that's concerning.
That's poor.
Yeah, that's concerning. So reto consolagang ka net bank win net banking.
Yeah.
And then at least resamo qualifier. Mna rai winner. And then from there Ratseba re thola number 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rechenchana Chiefs. Chiefs nil number among last year.
9.
Yo. Yeah, Rechenchana Albon. Number 9.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry again.
Yeah. Last week you sent a message.
I said we are going to win 3-0. Yeah, but then the problem is I forgot to 3 of our players are suspended. Yeah, they are not available. Remember, yeah, and batho ba go fela ke bona ne ke re ba tlokora di goal. Yeah, ne ke re Zindongo tlokora brace.
Yes.
And then Bunjana kore 1.
Long range.
Yeah. So there was nothing that's gonna happen. But the other thing, wabana reshape again our business model. Wabana this business model. One day we will be relegated. One day we will be relegated. Check out Chiefs. Lena lidi players are rona. Msimango and release Kemile Gamang. Release Kemile. Le file chele tenga takantwa release asibora. Goalkeeper. Ntwari kwa swantengwa usebetsa di mining. Oh, MPL. And there's this thing, last thing. When player that is overrated. Chiefs player, who's your best player? All of them. Number 6. Number 6. Mabua is overrated. It's overrated. You know, there's this saying that says, in the land of the blind, the one with one eye is a king.
Yes.
So Mabue, only one eye. Baba bangidi fofu.
Kaloku wena uyi-Galaxy
Kaizer Chiefs.
Bekela kum kaloku sandisela amashwa fona. Bekela kum. Ndim lo uliyema. Bekela kum. Kiss ya Kaizer Chiefs ne TX nala kumebambene nina. Uthi cela ubhekele kumne. Salungcola kaloku. Salungcola. Uthi bhekela kumne. ne ngicela abantu basekhaya beKaizer Chiefs basondele kumbhekele wena because awungasekhaya please and thank you and ndizawukhawuleza uthi umabuwa halala kathini umuntu ekudala saba naye lo wana and sikudala simjongile mntase and uyasenzela so no matter of aba bakhoya basenzeli bayasenzela but kaloku i-loyalty one thing about iKaizer Chiefs you need to understand oba abasiqala khona siqala nge-loyalty awusozibe iKaizer Chiefs ungakwazi usuka kuyo why ungakwazi usuka kuyo you are loyal ukombi yakunyisa kunzima noba loyal ezindoda kunzima noba loyal kwikazana yakho umfazi wakho but ikhona ninje ungigalani ungangigali inyonga ndifuna umtshato umemtshatweni ungandiphambanisi mtshato kuze ndirealize uba iKaizer Chiefs nditheranyani it's a matter of inyonga zange ndiyifunela qomba abalapha bakwa-Sundowns nabendiqabajonga mburu scoot Kaizer Chiefs mamelani guys ne indaba yeKaizer Chiefs ewe iyasonyanyisa akusuba isonyanyisa iyasonyanyisa ne but xa u-accepte iKaizer Chiefs it's a matter of iba ngathi i-ritual not njenge-parades because the parades neyazi banisebenzisa amayeza ningaziphambanisi siyayazi loo sasiyivile kwi-interviews nani nabanye nakopa kuwo but ke ngoku imoral yeKaizer Chiefs it's a matter of loyalty and when it goes back to God, glory to Jesus. When you are loyal to God, uThixo uyabuyela kuwe. That's why Kaizer Chiefs guys, ndifuna ukugqiba bese ndizawuspenda 15 seconds. Mamelani guys, this is where I'm going ne. Nisibona basuke ku number 19 ne. Sanyuka sifike ku number 3 ngoku.
Number 3.
Sungxamisa. I get you. But mamela Profeta kanimeni Profeta Zanga wakhambona umuntu okwiparade ifemale omhlohlobo Mamelani, this is where I'm going. I need you guys to focus and be serious for once. I need you guys to be focused and serious for once. And because you cannot but we need to understand one thing about iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer bentelling loyalty. Ikuthi ne Mamelani ne asikafiki phalanda into basingafiki. And akhoniveza into basingafika pha. But umthanazo wami na as only yema man pause angafike lapha and then ukuzafike lapha it's going to be a matter of if abantu basekhaya banqethe uthandaza guys mina ndinenkolo ethi into bana kweziveki izayo ezincinci thina as iKaizer Chiefs ngayewin ileague and I believe lona because it's stupid, it sounds stupid, we understand and you always be like no man Kaizer Chiefs fans are delusional but Mamelani mna veki izayo nzawufasta and ukufasta kwami league sayiwina thina